Hello everyone, my name is Anil Bajpayee and you are watching my YouTube channel EducationTatva. So as we are working on AWS certification training, and today we are going to talk about very important point, how to create your account on AWS so that you can start using their services. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go on google.com, you need to type AWS Console. So the first URL aws.amazon.com is your console URL, and if you click on it, this will ask you to sign in to the console, and from here you will get an option to create your account. So let's click on this. Since we want to start with a new account, you need to choose for option create a new AWS account, and here I need to provide a couple of information. I'm providing my AWS email address, then some password which should be secure enough, and then AWS account name. So let's give this and then continue. So this will be done in multiple steps. This will ask whether you want to do it for business purpose or you want to do it for personal use. So I'm going to do it for personal use. It has nothing to do with business related or organization related thing. I need to provide my personal details here. And in here, I'm going to blur this for you so that there should not be any threat of misusing any of this information. But what it asks your first name, full name, your mobile number, country, region, and then your address. That's it. Then you need to select their AWS customer agreement and then continue. So here I got one exception that my address is too long. I just shorten it up and then continue. Here it asks about billing information. So there you need to provide your credit card details and you can activate it. So how the credit card details are being charged, you need not too much worry about it, because when you start with their program, they provide you some free tier. So if you look at the left side, we will not charge for usage below AWS free tier limit. We temporarily hold INR 2 as a pending transaction for 3-5 days to verify your identity. So in the free tier itself, you can explore all their services and you can close this account after it. And you can start using your business account or official account for that purpose. But for signing purpose, I'm going to provide my credit card details in here and then verifying it. So I'm doing it while I'm pausing this video just for the security reasons. So my payment was done successfully. The next, it asks you to verify your identity. So here you can choose your country code. For me, this is India, and I'm going to provide my mobile number here. I'll also mask it just to avoid any spam calls. And then it will ask me to send an SMS. Once I receive the SMS, I need to provide that information in here. After setting up your account, you will notice that there is an email. There is an email from AWS like this, which talks about welcome to Amazon Web Services. Thank you for creating your account on AWS and some of the basic information. And what they are saying, for the next 12 months, you will have free access to compute, storage, database, and application services. And there are more information available on the free tier page, which we can access from here. Pricing related information we can access from here, but we can access account on this. So I just clicked on and it took us to signin.aws account. Here we need to provide the credentials that we set up. Do next. It asks us to provide the capture information. It was not there earlier, but they started indeed using it just for the security purpose here. Then submit. Providing the password. And here comes the vanilla version or untouched version of our AWS console. 0.0 INR, we just purchased it. We just subscribed it. So in today's session, we wanted to talk about how to set up the account that we did successfully. Please, if you're watching this video, please comment in the section to show me and to let me know that you have already have the existing account or you have created this account without any issue. So just let me know in the comment section, and then in the next session we will talk about what are the different components of AWS console and where you can set some of the good configuration, I should say, to have your bills or invoices within the limit. So it's free tier, but maybe if you exploit and just start using many of these services, so you need to be make sure that you are putting those gateways, which means it is not crossing the threshold in terms of any additional billing, which you may want to avoid. So hopefully this session was useful for you. Let me know any experience in the comment box, like this video and subscribe to this channel if you have not done yet. We are going to work on a lot of videos and it will be a lot of information that you want to see. Thank you.